Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a question that every aspiring software engineer has asked at some point. Should you focus on backend, front-end, or full-stack development? Where should you go? Let's break it down. First up, let's talk about front-end development. Front-end is all about what the user sees and interacts with on a website or application. Think about the buttons, the layout, the visuals. That's all front-end work. As a front-end developer, you'll be using technologies like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to create user-friendly, visually appealing interfaces. If you love design, creating smooth user experiences, and working on projects where you can see the result of your work immediately, front-end might be the path for you. Now, on to back-end development. Back-end is what happens behind the scenes. It's the logic, the databases, the APIs, and everything that powers the front end. When you submit a form, log into an account, or even just load a page, the backend is responsible for making sure it all works. Backend developers use languages like Python, Java, Node.js, and they often work with databases like MySQL or MongoDB. If you enjoy problem solving, working with data, and focusing on the logic that makes apps function, then backend development is where you'll thrive. Lastly, we have full-stack development. As a full-stack developer, you're a jack of all trades. You handle both front-end and back-end development, so you get to work on everything from how the app looks to how it functions behind the scenes. Full-stack developers are in high demand because they can bridge the gap between front-end and back-end teams. But keep in mind, this role requires a broader skill set, which means you'll need to learn a lot of different technologies. If you love variety and the idea of being involved in the entire development process, full-stack might be the way to go. So, which one should you choose? If you're into visual design, user experience, and working on things that users directly interact with, front-end is your game. If you're more analytical, like working with data, and want to handle the inner workings of an app, go back-end. And if you want to be versatile, knowing how to do a bit of everything, full stack will give you the best of both worlds. Whatever you choose, remember that the key is to focus and go deep into your chosen area. It's tempting to want to learn everything at once, but mastery comes from diving deep into one thing at a time. That's all for today. If you're still unsure about which path to take, don't worry. Everyone's journey is different, and you can always switch gears down the road. Follow us and like our content for more insights on building your tech career. I'll catch you in the next episode.